Hello, everybody. This is George Williams. I'm the Next Search Catalog Coordinator at Northeast Kansas Library System, and we've discovered a bug that's going to affect patrons and staff. This is after the Koha upgrade to 2211, and so I'm going to show you what's going on really quickly. So let's say we look up a patron. So I've got two patrons open right now, Christian Frosty and Birdie Frosty. If I go to this first patron, Christian, and click on holds history, everything works as expected. I can see the history of the holds that this patron has placed. I can see the title, the author, the barcode number, library, etc., etc. All the data, everything works exactly as expected. If I go to the second patron, Birdie Frosty, and click on holds history, instead of a nice table showing all of the things that they have placed holds on in the past, I get an error message. So this was reported yesterday, and I quickly figured out that it's a bug. And it looks like it's already been, this is a bug in the Koha community. It's been reported as bug 34609. What's happening is that when we look at the holds history for the first patron, Chris Frosty, all of these titles are still in the catalog. But for Birdie Frosty, some of the titles in his history have been deleted. And this is causing an error when that table tries to load because it's trying to load bibliographic records that don't exist anymore. They've been deleted. So this is going to happen irregularly. You're not going to know who it's happening to. But here's the good news is that this bug, the patch for it, has already passed QA, which in the Koha world means that it's not going to be too long before it gets fixed. It might be a month, it might be 2 months. So what do we do in the meantime? What I've got here is I've put some code in place that's custom code. So if we go back, for the patrons, like Chris Frosty, where there is a holds history, and you click on that, and something comes up, you'll just see the holds history. But for a patron like Birdie Frosty, where the holds history includes titles that have been deleted, if we click on holds history, you'll now see on the error message, you'll see a message that says the holds history is broken in some cases where titles have been deleted from the catalog. You can run report number 2801 as an alternative. So if you click on this report number here, it's going to pull up this report, and we need the patron's barcode number, so we can go back and get that and put the patron's barcode number in here, run the report, and this will give us the holds history for that patron without, it's not going to include the deleted titles, but the deleted titles are not going to create an error message when we run it through this report in the reports module. So like I said, this is probably going to be about a month before it's fixed, maybe 2 months. And it should, once it's fixed, you won't even notice the problem anymore. So sorry for the inconvenience, but hopefully this explains what's going on to everybody. And thanks for your attention.